This question is from GATE 2014 Mechanical Engineering Paper Set 3, question number 55. For spot welding of two steel sheets, base metal, each of 3 mm thickness, welding current of 10,000 ampere is applied for 0.2 seconds. The heat dissipated to the base metal is 1000 joule. Assuming that the heat required for melting 1 mm cube volume of steel is 20 joule and interfacial contact resistance between sheets is 0.0002 ohm, the volume in millimeter cube of weld nugget is dash. Let's write the given things. So it's given that thickness of the base metal H is 3 mm, welding current I is 10,000 ampere. It is applied for the time 2 seconds, 0.2 seconds. So T is 0.2 seconds. Heat dissipated to the base metal is 1000 joule. So we can say HB dissipated to base metal is 1000 joule. So it is given for melting 1 millimeter cube volume. That means this is heat per unit volume is equal to 20 joule. Resistance R is given to be 0.0002 ohm. We have to find the volume of weld nugget that is built. Let's see how this will be solved. So first of all, we know that heat supplied to the base metal Q, the total heat supplied to the base metal, can be found out using the current, the time for which it is supplied, and the resistance. So heat supplied is equal to I square into R into T. Let's substitute the values and find this out. So I is 10,000 square of it into 0.0002 into time is 0.2. This is calculated as 4,000. Since this is heat, the unit will be of energy, that is joule. 4,000 joule. Now this heat that is supplied for the welding will be utilized. First, the heat to be supplied to the base metal to melt it, and then the other part of the heat will be utilized to actually form the weld, to form the volume of weld nugget. So this heat can be expressed as heat supplied to melt the metal per unit volume into the volume of weld nugget that is formed. So now this value is directly given to be 1000 joule and HM is given as 20 joule. Therefore, we can write this total 4000 joule will be equal to this 1000 joule plus 20 joule into volume of the weld nugget. After rearranging, we get the volume of weld nugget. V is equal to 4000 minus 1000, that is 3000, divided by 20. This gives us volume to be 150 millimeter cube, because this was in joule per millimeter cube. It was 20 joule of energy for unit volume, and that is why we get the unit of volume as millimeter cube. Let's go back and fill in the answer. Volume of weld nugget is 150 millimeter cube. To learn more about spot welding, you can refer to the NPTEL video Resistance Spot Welding Part 1 from the course Welding Processes. This course is by Professor Murugaiya Amarthalingam. He is from Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, IIT Madras. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.